Hi friends, welcome back again to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you guys through how I prepare my turkey and chicken soup. Watch with me and let's cook together. To begin with, I've just added my turkey and my chicken breast to my pot. Next, I'll go in with my olive oil. Then I'll give it a stir. I'll combine properly with my stick. I add the olive oil to suppress the fresh meat smell from the soup. That's why I add the olive oil. It's very good. If it's your first time coming to my channel, please don't forget. So I'll leave that to simmer for a few minutes. Then next, I'll go in with my seasoning cube. After adding my seasoning cube, I will add my salt. After adding my salt, I will add my black pepper, and then I will combine properly with my stick. I also went in with powdered onions. I will combine that as well. After combining properly with your stick, you want to go in with a lot of water. Don't forget we are cooking soup, chicken soup. While the turkey soup is cooking, we are going to be boiling rice. So I've just washed the rice. I'm adding the rice to the hot water. I'm going to parboil it for some minutes. After then, I'll rinse it and boil it again to cook. At this point, I'm adding hot water to my pot. We are going to cook the rice again. I've just added some salt and I'll go in with my washed rice. I'll cover the rice until it's cooked. So guys, let's check on our turkey and chicken soup. It's cooking really good. So right now we are going to take out the chicken breast out of the turkey. If it's your first time coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So guys, here are the chicken breasts. I'm going to use my fork and pieces the chicken breasts and add it back to the soup. So friends, this is the chicken breast I pieces. I'm going to be adding it into the soup. So friends, next we are going to add the other ingredients. I've just added onion, celery, carrot and some green pepper and give it a quick stir. So guys, let's check on our turkey soup. I'm sure by now the turkey soup is ready to be served. You can enjoy the turkey soup by itself or with white rice. I will be enjoying mine with white rice. Thank you for watching. Bye.